NPV for a series of cash flows. So I did a review video on how you do NPV in your calculator or on Excel, and actually when I was looking at the exam, it does give you certain rates, like the present value dollar for $1 table. It does give you those rates. So if you really are reliant on that table, that can help you, but I would prefer that you use HP12C or Excel. And so remember that time value of money, a dollar today is worth more than a dollar in the future. And always choose projects where the NPV is greater than 0. You would choose as many projects as you can with the NPV is greater than 0 if you had unlimited money to invest. And so you're going to need to know the project profitability index, the NPV over the investment, and the higher the profitability index, the more it's profitable, so the more likely you want to choose that project over another one. The length of time to recover initial cash outlay for the project, I think that's like verbatim on the exam. You know, that would be the payback period. So your investment required over the annual net cash inflow. And so this is if the annual net cash inflow was exactly the same every single year. If the annual cash flows are unequal, then set up a table to calculate the remaining balance at the end of each year. Yeah, so if you look in Chapter 12 PowerPoint, this gives you a feel of an uneven cash flow. So this is very similar to what you'll see on the exam. So they use this $360,000 in investment and for 6 years, and then oh, this is the NPV. Oh, we want to look at payback period. Okay, so this is NPV, the payback period. So how we would look at that payback period. So you would set up a table. So 360,000, and then you would minus these net cash flows. So kind of hard to show you right now, but I can just tell you 360,000. So you would minus 115,000 from that, and I get 245,000. So I did not recover my investment. So my payback period is going to be greater than 1 year because I still have 245,000 to recover, right? So if I put like 245,000 over here. So in year 2, I get 138,000. So I'll minus that. Minus that. Now I have 107,000. So did I recover my initial investment in year 2? No, I didn't recover my initial investment in year 2. I still have 107,000, like a running total that I need to recover. Okay, what about in year 3? I have to recover 107,000 and I get 95,000 back. Oh, I'm getting really close, right? I'm getting really close to recovering it. So I'll minus that 95,000 back. So I have 12,000 left to recover. So in 3 years, I have not recovered my investment because I still have 12,000 left to recover. But I know in year 4, I'm going to get, or sometime during year 4, I'm going to get it. So between years 3 and year 4, I'm going to get back that $12,000. But I want to know exactly, you know, the portion of the year that I'm going to get it back. So I have 12,000 to get back, and in year 4, I get a total of 91,000. So I'll take that 12,000 and divide it by that 91,000 to get the like ratio of the year or portion of the year. So 12,000 divided by 91,000 gives me 0.1318 or 19. So it took me 3.13 years to recover my investment of 360,000. So that's how you would do an uneven payback period. And so, yep, so this shows you exactly how you would do it. So you start with your balance, you minus out your inflows, and then in year 3, I see it's 12,000. I take that 12,000, divide it by the 91,000 to get 12,000 divided by 91,000 equals 0.1, and so therefore the payback period is 3.1 years. So just make sure you know how to do that for the exam. And yeah, I think that is everything that I wanted to cover. Good luck on the final exam, and it's been a pleasure to have you in my class.